Hi, this short session will shed some light on different concepts about total physical response method in teaching children or in teaching students in the classroom. Before we start with the total physical response method, we have to understand that teaching methods are effective ways to support teachers to teach the target language to their students in the classroom. But now let's start with total physical response method. This is an old method used for teaching children in the classroom or teaching students in the classroom. First, what is TPR or teaching or total physical response method? Total physical response method is based on parents and the children relationships. As parents order their children and the children start to act. Let's have an example. When the parents order their children to look at your mommy, come here, go there, bring me a glass of water, children start to learn naturally in an environment which supported them to learn through actions, through movement. This method is used in the classroom. So, how can teachers use TPR in the classroom? It's easy. Teachers act the role of parents, give instructions such as smile, chop, stand up, sit down, come here, go there, look at the board. These are simple instructions. Students in the classroom act these instructions until they master the actions. In case students master the actions, so they can take the role of the teacher in later stage. One of the students can take the role of the teacher. He stands in the middle of the classroom, asks students or gives the students instructions. Smile, students start to smile. Stand up, students start to stand up. Sit down, and so on. That's okay. Let's go to the next step. When should teachers use TPR? Teachers can use TPR in all different situations in the classroom. They can use TPR to teach vocabulary, to teach grammar, to teach classroom instructions. Let's be clearer. Teachers can use TPR to teach vocabulary such as smile, jump, run, walk, etc. Teachers can use TPR to teach tenses, past, present, and future, present continuous, present perfect, whatever the tense is. Let's have an example. Every morning I brush my teeth, I make my bed, I eat my breakfast. So teachers give their students grammatical sentences. Students act these sentences. Every morning I brush my teeth, students act. Every morning I make my bed, students act. Every morning I eat my breakfast, students act. When students master this tense or master these sentences, one of the students can take the role of the teacher, the other students can act. Also, teachers can use TPR to teach their students classroom instructions such as open your book, stand up, look at the board. These are classroom instructions or imperatives. In the same way, when students master the phrases, one of the students can take the role of the teacher, the other students act. And in turn, students one by one, they can take the turn of the teacher and the other students act. The next step, why should teachers use TPR? Why? Why should you use TPR in your classroom? There are many different reasons. First, fun. You know that children like fun. They learn by doing funny things. So when you ask students to act, they add more fun and involvement to the English classroom. Number two, memorable. As you know, whenever you act something, you always remember what you acted. Number 3, kinesthetic learners. Students who like to move all the time like to learn with total physical response. This method, TPR, can be used in small classrooms or in large classrooms. It doesn't matter because teacher gives instructions, students act these instructions. It doesn't matter there are 2 students, 3 students, 40 students, so total physical response or TPR is suitable for small classrooms and large classrooms. Also, mixed ability classes. Mixed ability classes means all the students act. It doesn't matter if they are low-level students, intermediate students, or advanced students. These are just actions. Students listen and act. So mixed ability classrooms can be effective, can be interesting. This is suitable for mixed ability classrooms. The last thing is that TPR involves both left and right brained learners. It is suitable for left brain learners and right brain learners. There are many different games which can be used in TPR classrooms. For example, Simon Says. Simon Says is a game. In this game, the teacher says, Simon says, and he gives a phrase. Students act this phrase. For example, Simon says, slice some bread. Also, Simon says, make your bed. In this case, students act the phrase or the sentence, but when the teacher says, I say, for example, I say, slice some bread, some students act this will be wrong. They are out of the game. Students must hear Simon says and act. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to support me to add more sessions about teaching methods. Thank you.